well, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? So a minute for you was like, I don't know, an hour for me. But anyway, make sure you watch this whole video, friends, because I put a lot of effort into these videos, trying to put good stuff out to watch. I did notice I had an audio issue in the last video at the end, but I just went with it anyway. Sorry about that. So yes, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share these videos. Help me get this channel so it grows, because this stuff is expensive. Gas is not cheap to go to these things, and all the stuff that goes along with it. So please help support the channel. Please watch the whole video. Don't drop off at 2 minutes, because I can see all that in retention and all that good stuff. We're not going to get into that, but we're coming up over the hill here, and as you can see, we're at the showgrounds. So let's go up in here and get unloaded and get signed up, and then we will go from there. Ferguson wagon, Baler, and tractor.
Wow, Larry Turns is Simmons brother. I've known that guy for a long time. I've known this tractor for a long time.
He's from New York. Yeah, I didn't want to walk in front of them. Supposedly they're supposed to burn any fuel, I guess, from the oil pool. Micah! Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. This is Friday of Penn's Cave, so it's a 4-day show. So it'll be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. We're gonna go back over tomorrow with Mama, but yeah, I'm about out. I got like 5 minutes left on my SD card that I burnt that much up. So yeah, we're gonna have to go get rid of some stuff off of here, and we'll make some more video tomorrow. So see you then.